So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film and edit 30 Instagram reels so that way I can have a piece of content that I can post every single day for the next 30 days. So this is the page that I'll be uploading on. As you guys can see, I already have 17 posts and 38 followers. I think the very first step that I need to do to film all of this content is to first of all plan the content that I'm going to be filming. So I have my notebook here, and that's actually what I did for the other 17 videos that I wrote. I would actually write like a mini script so I can have like a framework to follow when I'm actually recording. So that's going to be the very first thing I do.
So I want to give more context as to what the page is about and what it is I'm actually planning. So for the past couple of weeks, like almost a month now, I've been learning something called high ticket closing. It's an online form of sales where you partner up with like a coach or an online person basically, and you work as like a sales rep for their course. So let's say they sell like a $5,000 course. I, as the closer, help them sell that course, and then I get a 10%, usually the industry average is 10% commission of that sale.
Okay guys, so it is probably a couple hours later. I just finished planning. I think I wrote down 13 videos already. So either today or tomorrow I'm gonna finish the 30, and then I'm gonna film them, I'm gonna edit them, and then I'm gonna upload them. But right now it's gym time. Back with another voiceover. This is just a clip of me walking from class to the library where I continued writing the scripts, just planning out the videos. So in the next clip, you guys are gonna see me saying that the script is finished and all that. Okay, so I just finally finished the scripts of all the videos. I got like several pages of notes here of just all the scripts of the videos. Now, since it's late and I want to film when the sun is out, I'm gonna film tomorrow. So I'm really excited to film and edit and see what happens. I really put a lot of effort into these videos and these scripts, so I just hope they turn out how I'm imagining them to turn out. I have all the scripts right here for the videos. I got my t-shirts ready. And then here is the camera. Now the only thing missing is just to film.
Now look what I'm stuck with. I don't care if I'm in the wrong. I don't give a shit. I don't care if you in the wrong. I don't give a shit. I'll be like,
so I just finished filming all the videos. Y'all saw the outfit changes. Y'all saw behind the scenes of the scripting, the filming, all of it. So now the next step is to transfer the footage from the camera onto the laptop so I can edit them, make them engaging, and then post them. I'm in the library right now, so I have to be quiet. Now I just have to edit the videos. I already imported all the footage from the camera. Now I'm gonna put them into CapCut and edit them so that way they're all ready to post. It's back again with another voiceover. Now this voiceover is gonna be about kinda breaking down my editing process. So in the very beginning, you guys just saw me importing the video from my desktop into the CapCut software. And then basically right now I'm just going through, just cutting the pauses, you know, making sure like no stutters, no pauses or anything is included. Now what I'm doing now is adding subtitles, just making sure it looks good, font looks good, the color looks good, all of that. Now, usually CapCut has like an auto caption feature, but sometimes it like spells stuff wrong or it just mishears and misclicks. So it's important to just go back and review the captions. Right here, I'm just choosing a song, a sound, just something in the background to just keep the video uplifting, more engaging. Um, what are we doing now? Yeah, so I'm just changing the volume of the music and yeah, so basically in this time lapse, I'm just doing the same thing for all the videos, just to make sure that the raw footage versus the finished product is something that's worthy and it's probably gonna get more views. This took a long, long time, but I think, in my opinion, it's very worth it to just see the finished product compared to where the video started out. So yeah, that's basically just a time lapse. That's basically my editing process. And if you guys want to check out the videos, they should be on the page right now. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, guys, so I have all the videos edited in this file right here. It's called the 30-day finished product. So the final step is just to schedule a post, because obviously I can't post all the videos all at once, and plus I want to do it over the span of the next month. So right now we're in the Meta business account of the Instagram page, and we're gonna add the video. So I'm gonna go here, add video, documents, desktop. So video number one. Yeah, bro. Okay, and then the caption. I'm gonna say back to posting daily. Expect a video every day for the next 30 days. Boom. Just like that, we got the caption. Frame. Next. Schedules. This is where it's important. So today's January 20th. I want this to go live tomorrow. So Sunday at like 6 p.m. I think 6 p.m. would be a good time. So Sunday 6:00 p.m. and schedule. Boom. Now we need another schedule. So create reel up top, add video, and video number 2. And just like that. So if you guys actually want to see these videos, all of these videos right here, you guys are going to have to check out the page. I really put a lot of effort into this. So the final step is just to upload the videos. Schedule them. And in 30 days, if you guys want to see like a part 2, like a follow-up, comment down below. And yeah, that pretty much concludes the video. You guys saw the behind the scenes of building a personal brand. People think content creation is easy, but there's actually a lot of steps that go into it. So if you guys would like to see more similar videos, just let me know. If you guys would like to learn sales, just like how I'm learning, just DM me on the page or comment below, and maybe we can figure something out. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.